Fish and fresh fruit, in this case peaches, might not sound like a winning combination, but it absolutely is. The smoky heat from this Cajun spiced cod is balanced by the fresh, sweet peach salsa, and it is quick and easy to make. For the peach salsa, begin with diced ripe peaches, jalapeno, red onion, cilantro, freshly squeezed lime juice, and then season with salt and pepper. Gently stir to mix it together well. You can cover it and store it in the fridge until you're ready to eat. To make the Cajun seasoning, combine corn flour with smoked paprika, salt, garlic powder, oregano, chipotle chili powder, onion powder, thyme, and black pepper. Stir that around with a spoon in a small bowl. Although you can certainly use oil, I brush the cod fillets with mayonnaise. This will hold a thicker layer of seasoning, it adds flavor and locks in moisture. And then you're going to sprinkle the Cajun seasoning mixture on top. Grease a foil-lined baking sheet and then lay the fillets seasoning side down on the tray. Then brush a coat of mayo on the other side of the fish and coat with the spice mix. When it comes out of the oven just about 10 minutes later, the cod has a beautifully seasoned crust. It easily flakes with a fork while remaining moist inside. A side of white rice makes a nice bed for the Cajun spiced cod, and top it with the sweet and tangy peach salsa. Fresh, light, and super delicious. Meaty fish, smoky heat, and fresh sweet peaches. I don't know what more to say other than it just works. You can grab the recipe for this Cajun spiced cod with peach salsa at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.